Hello, this is not the end crochet. Please excuse my voice. There's a lot of pollen outside and I think it's kind of taking its toll. I used a mask on when I went out, but I don't think it's helping much. So if I squeak a little bit, I apologize. Okay, what I'm doing right now is that I'm doing a crochet book review on this particular book, which is entitled Herrschners Blue Ribbon Afghans. It was published in 1998 by Oxmoor House. I purchased it at Second and Charles of Charlotte about 2 or 3 months ago for a low cost of $4. That's a hardbound book, so that's pretty good. The book has the Afghans divided up according to beginner skill level, intermediate skill level, and advanced skill level. It's 160 pages, has some graphs in there, and beautiful large photos. The Afghans are actually crochet, and there are some knit Afghans in here. Now I did some checking to see if they had any recent books, and they didn't. What was going on is that Herrschners sponsored a contest each year to see who could, send them the best looking Afghan. And they don't have that competition no more. But this is what this book is. It's like some of the winners and the runner-ups. So I think you enjoy what you see. You open her up. Okay, table of contents. Editor notes. Look at this bad boy. That's beautiful. Look at that big, beautiful picture. Like that. This one is intermediate. I should say it is. That I agree with. Here's one that's nice. I hope you can see it. I don't have enough lighting on it. That's close up of it. That's beginner level. I agree with that. That stitch doesn't look that complicated. This is stunning. That's nice. And I think it has a chart. Yes, it does. Show you the 4 different squares. See the little square right in there? That represents a stitch. So that's pretty cool. I like those. And here's the complete layout. Okay, this is the one from the cover, I believe. This blue is catching that blue, so it's really nice. It's close up. It's like it's like little squares. Let's see. Yeah, little squares, and this square is variegated. That's solid. That's solid, but it's a different solid from that. So that's pretty smart. Here's a diagram of what it looked like. Pull it back so you can see. Okay, they said that this is a beginner level. I ain't seen nobody that's a beginner that can pull this off. Good luck with that. Okay. This one is intermediate. It's very pretty. Looks like a quilt. But as you can see, it's crochet. Texture sampler. Okay. It's intermediate. I don't know about that. I guess. They're the experts. I'm not. Pink diamonds. Oh, This is gorgeous. It's really nice. I saw Creative Grandma. She did something like this. The panels and everything. That's tough. Okay, yeah, it has a graph. Floral Fantasy. Beautiful pictures. I like the lighting. Mom's the word. This is nice. Oh, I wish, but you know, things change. I can't do large Afghans anymore, so I just sit back and enjoy the view. That's nice. It looks, I was gonna say Native American, but it's Aztec. Nice. It's a chartboard. If you learn how to do a clean color change, shouldn't be that bad. Irish trellis. Does it look another way? Cause no. Maybe there's another view of it, cause that really doesn't look that bad. That's another panel one. I have a chart. Yep, got a chart. This is nice. I'm trying to catch the ones that are knitted. I haven't seen one yet, but I could have missed it. This chart. Okay. I'm gonna speed up a little because there's a lot to look at and I don't want you to miss seeing anything, but ooh wee. Wow. I should say so. Look at her. Advance. And I also add patient, because you would need some patience for that. Christmas celebration. All right. Okay. Okay, so this one is intermediate. I don't know, they're scale with what's beginner and intermediate. A little different from mine, because this is intermediate. That looks very complicated, so I guess it would be. Yeah, no. That's all I can say. Yeah, no. Beginner, okay. Oh, that's another graph one. That's nice. Those are really nice. There's some real talent out there. Compared to what I did in the past, I know nothing, because this is some real talent. You know, with my arm rest up, my back rest up, maybe I can attempt a small throw or something. That's pretty. It's beautiful. I like the color choices. I like how this brown sort of has purple, white, and blue mixed in with it. It's nice. There's your chart. See, I think I'm doing 2 pages at one time, getting separated. Oh, that's the rest of it. Okay, chart. graph, whichever one you like calling it. It said giraffes. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, it looks all laid out. There's your graph. Uh-oh, like something was stuck right there. Afghans for little ones. Okay, baby stuff. That's nice, that's sweet. And the tertiary colors. And there are some that are not. Like the tic-tac-toe. It's nice. I think I'm coming to about the end of the book. If I can get my pages to come apart. Okay. And I don't know where I got that from. I think they was, as you bought a book, they was putting them in the books. Okay. More baby blankets with the rose. That's sweet. Okay. Let me see. Okay. And here's the general directions. Telling you how to read a chart. And your slip knot, and your different stitching, and telling you the differences in hook sizes and crochet abbreviations that's within the book. Other stitches you might need to know. And I think there's knitting. How about that? The first crochet book I've run across that I've purchased that had also knitting instructions. Okay, even showing you how to fix drop stitches. Okay, showing you how to do tassels. I think that, my friends, is the end of the book. Okay. What did I think of the book? I think it was very informative. I thought it was beautifully done. What they had in here was really inspirational. Give you something to shoot for, a goal. So, do I recommend this? If you can find this, because it's pretty old, and it's $4, by all means, buy it. Y'all have a great day. Toodles.